A pleasant good morning to all. Children, which day we celebrated Mother's Day? In India, we celebrated Mother's Day on May 9th. Children, can you imagine your life without your mother? Mother is such an important person in our life. They sacrifice for everything, their career, their whole life. Even they don't bother about their rest also. Mother sacrifices her happiness for her child. No one else can care for their kid the way a mother does. So, today I have come with such a beautiful poem on mother named Somebody's Mother, written by Mary Dow Bryan. This poem teaches us to give love and care to everyone. We love our mother very much. Here is a poem which tells us about a boy's kindness and care to an old woman. Children, let's read the poem. The woman was old and ragged and grey, and bent with the chill of the winter's day. The street was wet with a recent snow, and the woman's feet were aged and slow. She stood at the crossing and waited long, alone, uncared for amid the throng. Down the street with laughter and shout, glad in the freedom of school let out, came the boys like a flock of sheep, hailing the snow piled white and deep. Past the woman so old and grey, hastened the children on their way. Children, look at the picture. What do you see here? Yes, a little boy helping an old woman. Now, let us see what happened there. The woman was old and ragged and grey, and bent with the chill of the winter's day. How was the woman, and how does she look? She was old, ragged, and grey. Ragged means torn. She was bent due to severe cold. It was winter season and cold weather made her bent. The street was wet with a recent snow, and the woman's feet were aged and slow. She stood at the crossing and waited long, alone, uncared for amid the throng. So, the recent snow, that is, the snow that has fallen just then, had made the street wet. The woman walks very slowly. Her feet were aged. She stood at the crossing among the crowd, and nobody cared for her. She waited for a long time to cross the road. So, we saw an old woman who was trying to cross the road. She was aged, wearing torn clothes, looking gloomy, and nobody was taking care of her or paying attention to her. Here, throng means crowd, and amid means in the middle of. Down the street with laughter and shout, glad in the freedom of school let out, came the boys like a flock of sheep, hailing the snow piled white and deep. While the lady was waiting to cross the road, there came the boys like a flock of sheep. That is, the boys came together happily as the school dispersed. The children were happy and noisy and were playing with the newly fallen snow, which is white and deep. Past the woman so old and grey, hastened the children on their way. The boys moved past the old woman who were standing helpless to cross the road. Nobody offered to help her to cross the road. The lady was very humble, who was lacking confidence, and she was afraid to move also. Word meanings: chill, cold, grey, old or age, glad, happy, hailing, showering, pile, stack or heap, hasten, quickly, flock of sheep, collective noun for sheep, here group of students. So what is understanding from the poem? We should have the helping mentality. Okay. Can you say how was the woman? She was old and grey. And how was the climate there? It was cold. Can you say why the woman was standing there? Yes, she was waiting to cross the road. Was there anyone with her? No, she was alone. Is it clear, children? I hope you understood what we have discussed today. We will continue the poem in the next class.